architecturally, not architecturally, but engineers and contractors prepared this whole space, enormous one, which gives a possibility for architects to create architecture. And so we have, finally, we have big streets and enormous squares lying underground. They are astonishing by space. And so if turning to the post-war big circle of the station with Go Station, on which Alexander was talking, let's work with this system. This is to say metro and Soviet propaganda showing the beauty of the system, but in fact we see how the city with its major buildings are standing here, and the pavilion is the part of the city, but it's all trying showing the way underground. This is a poster addressed to the citizens showing that this is one united system. And then this is from publication from 1933, showing the cross-section of our soils. And of course, I think that there are a lot of secret information was not shown. It is an open publication in the Stalinist journal, but still we could see the difference of the tubes going downstairs. And this is one of the stations we will be talking about. It is in the depth, and accordingly, the construction system is the British one with the